What's up, guys? If you can't tell, the Z is up on a lift right now, and this is just after the NA2T swap. So I know my last update, it was kind of a mystery on what all was going on. You can see this is the intercooler up here. It is very large, so that's only half that you can see right there. But basically what we're going to do today is we're going to get an exhaust fitted. So this is our HX35 turbo that we have up in here, and basically this guy doesn't mount to the stock downpipe, so pretty much the entire exhaust is useless to me at this point. So you can see I actually ripped it all out. It typically goes through here and up over that way, but it's not here anymore. And instead of it, I have this 2.5-inch downpipe here. And basically what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to get the exhaust fitted onto the end of this downpipe, and then we're going to come back to, this is about where the cat goes. This is the heat shield right here for it. And then I have an MSA 3-inch Catback exhaust. You can get this online. I got this second hand. You can see it's got a small little dent in it right there, so I got some money off of that. But this thing sounds great. I've heard videos of it and I really love it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mount that guy right there up into here, and it should come to about right here. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and fit up the rest of the exhaust. We have some 3-inch stainless steel tubing, and I think it's gonna be a great time. So we'll go ahead and see how that turns out. Alright guys, here is the finished exhaust. So you can see it goes all the way down. So this is a little tiny piece of the downpipe that I had on originally. I got that off eBay. And then these are just pieces of standard 3-inch stainless steel exhaust from a kit. We got a flex pipe here, this is what you want. And then it pretty much just kind of comes back and bends. And then right here we turn into the MSA exhaust. This is the 3-inch Catback. So generally there's a flange that adapts to your cat, but you can see I'm not running one right now. And it comes all the way back. We tacked it in here with a little insulator, and then this is kind of sketchy too, but it saved ourselves from a lot of welding and everything, so I'm totally fine with that. And you can see the tip is centered. It's got a good height on top of it, and it looks great. So I'll go ahead and put a video now of what it sounds like when it runs, and everything here looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. Guys, well, I just got home from the exhaust shop, and let me say it sounds pretty dang good even from inside. It still has like a nice rumble to it, but it's nothing too crazy, and it definitely wouldn't drone really too bad on the highway. So I really do like it. That is going to be it for this episode. Shout out to 10/10 Motorsports that did this for me. They were really nice and helpful, and it wasn't too expensive either. I was looking at a pretty big price if I wanted to get it from other places, and so they helped. There is still a lot to be done on the NA2T. It has been very troublesome, so hopefully I can get that figured out, and I will always walk you guys through the steps whenever I get those done. So if you have any questions about the NA2T, go ahead and drop it down below. And I do realize that commenting was turned off on my last video, and a couple of them for some reason, because YouTube did their weird video child safety stuff, but it should be all fixed now. So if you have any questions about the NA2T, you can drop it here, and other than that, guys, I will see you later.